Hey everyone, in this video we'll learn about the lifecycle and structure of Concordium smart contracts. Let's get started. The on-chain language for Concordium smart contracts is WebAssembly, Wasm for short. You typically write your smart contract in the Rust programming language and compile it into a Wasm module. There can be one or more contracts per module. The Wasm module is then deployed to the chain, where a smart contract module is identified by its module reference, which is a hash of its contents. Once deployed, you can create multiple instances from the same contract in a deployed module. Being able to create multiple instances from the same module makes sense in a lot of cases. For example, an auction contract where each instance can be dedicated to bidding on a single item. A smart contract instance is identified by its contract address, which consists of two numbers, an index and a subindex. Note that the subindex is reserved for future use and is currently always 0. The logic for initializing the contract instance lives in the init method. And there is always one init method per contract. The smart contract instance can subsequently be updated according to its own logic via its receive methods, also known as entry points. There can be 0 or more receive methods per contract. With the overall flow in place, let's get a better understanding of what a smart contract instance is comprised of. Besides the address and contract name, it has 3 parts. The code, which lives in the deployed Wasm module, referenced by the instance, a persistent state, used for storing data, and a CCD balance. CCD is Concordium's native currency. Alright, so now you know about the lifecycle and structure of Concordium smart contracts. Stay tuned for more Concordium developer content.